Alright, we're going to talk about prepositions of place in Nihongo, Japanese. And we're going to use arimasu and imasu, which both mean exactly the same thing. They mean I have, or there is, or there are. Except arimasu is used for inanimate objects, for example, food and bikes. And imasu is used for animate objects, so living things, such as koi, the carp, or the emperor, or people. We need to know the prepositions as well, and here they are in English. I suggest you pause right now and try to do them in Japanese. I'll run through a few of them right now. First one is in, naka, on, ue, under, shita, near, could be one of many things, but we'll use chikai. Next to, could also be one of many things, but we'll use yoko. In front of, mae, behind, ushiro, and between and opposite as well. Okay, when we use these prepositions, we need to have a point of reference, our reference point. In this case, we're going to use goto-san. Goto-san is this person here. And we're also going to be talking about the object in this case, the something, which is a shamisen. Okay, so that's what we're talking about. So, if we look at goto-san again, the shamisen. Goto-san no mae. Goto-san no ushiro. Goto-san no hidari. Hidari means left in Japanese. Okay, now if we were making a sentence using the shamisen, Goto-san no hidari ni shamisen ga arimasu. Okay, it's an inanimate object, so we use the verb arimasu. If we had an animate object, okay, then it would be Goto-san no hidari ni neko ga imasu. Okay, the difference. So, if we look at the structure, first of all, we start off with a place, particle ni, and in this case, the particle ni marks the location of where it is. So it's in or at that location. Something ga arimasu. And just before, in the Goto-san example, we used the shamisen. Okay, now this is a very general organization of the sentence. An example would be, Shinshitsu ni terebi ga arimasu. So, I have a television inside my bedroom. If we want to be more specific about the location of that TV, for example, we would need to say place no location. So that's our preposition. Ni something ga arimasu or imasu. An example of that would be terebi no ue ni kudamono ga arimasu. So the translation would be on top of the table there is some fruit. Now, we can change the focus of the question. If we're talking about something, we're marking a topic of the conversation, okay, we can change it so that that is sort of like the focal point of what you're talking about. Something wa, and then we talk about where it is, ni arimasu. An example of this would be, we want to know, we're looking for a banana. So the example is, banana wa teburu no ue ni arimasu. So where's the banana? The banana is on top of the table or on the table. So the difference between wa and ga, well, wa is marking the topic, the subject of the conversation or the sentence, and the ga is what we're talking about, what the verb is talking about. Some other examples. Neko wa soto ni imasu. The cat is outside. There's a cat outside. Teburu no ue ni ari ga imasu. Ari, obviously, is ants. So, there are ants on top of the table. Teburu no ue ni gohan ga arimasu. Alright, so on the table there's some rice or some food or a meal. Okay, so just a quick introduction to prepositions and the difference between arimasu for inanimate objects and imasu for animate objects. Owari.